Hello dear friends, welcome to World Chef Cooking. In today's show we have time to do some quick turkey fry. This is what I have here. It's the turkey and I want it fried real quick. Alright, first thing first, let's prepare the pan. Use some nice oil out of flowers, not too much oil. Let's prepare the surface on the pan and make it nice and hot with the turkey salt spice, like so, and a little bit of chicken spice. Like this. It's already salty on itself. Now let's take turkey pieces and cut it into small pieces, and we'll start throwing them on top of the pan. I'm cutting in small pieces like this so it can fry real fast. Yes, let the knife do the work and cut this turkey. Okay, turkey is cut, so let's start throwing this on top of the really hot pan. And do it quickly. Because this is like a deep fried, half a deep fried snack. This is a crunchy turkey snack. Yes, like so. A little bit of spice on the top. Real good. Okay, it's time to start flipping it. This is like popcorn turkey. I'll flip in these nice pieces. Let the oil get to all of them by tilting the pan. And we're flipping every individual piece. Like mussels, clams or oysters. This is popcorn turkey. Healthy choice. Pan is hot, so this is express cooking. And after this, like on top right now, I think we'll see what we will do. Add some soy sauce. That's it. This is some soy sauce. Sprinkle it for extra flavor. Delicious flavor. Yeah, let it caramelize. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will add these beautiful vegetables on top. Look at that, beautiful. Now, I don't want to overcook the turkey, so I will take all the turkeys out and leave the vegetables in to fry them in the sauce. I'm taking all the turkey out. And I want all these veggies to be nicely fried. Okay, let's taste the turkey. I cut this piece open. Look at that color. It tastes amazing. Alright, now I'll add some water and shut the lid quickly for veggies to cook. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah, look at that process. Beautiful wet vegetables, they're expanding. And corn absorbed all the water with the beans. Real nice. We'll taste some now. Oh yeah, delicious. So there you have it. Popcorn chicken and vegetables. Tasty meal. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.